I've been using the Navy Federal mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. One of the main reasons I chose Navy Federal was its comprehensive mobile banking features. The app allows me to check account balances, view transaction histories, and transfer funds between accounts with ease. Additionally, I can also deposit checks remotely, eliminating the need to visit a branch or ATM. On top of that, the app offers bill payment services, enabling me to manage all my payments in one place. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, after a recent update, I experienced issues with the app misidentifying my device as modified, preventing access to certain features. Similarly, other users have also reported similar concerns, with some expressing dissatisfaction over the app's performance post-upgrade. Another aspect worth mentioning is the app's security measures. Navy Federal provides robust security features, including the ability to temporarily freeze your card and set restrictions on its usage. This gives me peace of mind knowing that my account is protected against unauthorized transactions. Overall, my experience with the Navy Federal mobile app has been positive, especially considering its comprehensive features and strong security measures. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.